No, that's way too soppy. I want to watch The Notebook.
That's too soppy.
Are you kidding me? It's a thriller, okay? Some creepy guy has this whole girl's life story written down in a notebook.
That's not what it's about.
Damn it, Samantha Bridge, you sex goddess. Why won't you accept my friend request?
Can you please tell our brother that The Notebook is so much more soppy than Romeo and Juliet?
No way. I'm not getting involved in that argument, man. That's like choosing between,
murder, embezzlement, and forgery, perhaps? Why don't you watch one of Quentin Tarantino's educational documentaries? Kill Bill!
I don't want to watch a movie anymore.
I'll feel the fun out of it. Well, speaking of talking, Alfredo, your father is holding a meeting with his henchmen right now. I have overheard while listening at his keyhole. I strongly recommend that you join him.
just stop inviting me to those things.
Actually, it was my idea. You seem uninterested.
Yeah, why would I want to be a mafiosi when we're so unpopular? I have like 8 friends on Facebook. No one likes me.
Firstly, your profile picture is you throwing up onto a cat. And secondly, you can be disliked and popular. Just look at Curtin's enrollment statistics.
But being in the Mafia is so boring. If I wanted to be that boring, I would move to Boring Land and open a boring accounting firm named Boring and Sons.
Don't be ridiculous, Ravioli. Visas to Boring Land are notoriously difficult to obtain.
Being in the Mafia is all about paperwork and meetings and funerals and
Yeah, that's pretty much all we see Dad doing. I don't even know if I want to take over the family when he dies.
You have been miseducated, Alfredo. There are many fun activities to do when you're in the Mafia, because it all boils down to crime. And crime is the most fun thing there is. And you are going to learn that, even if it kills you. If it doesn't kill you now, it probably will in about 5 years. What? Shh. Fine suits and cocktails, Cuban cigars, opera, gambling, Italian-made cars, planting explosives in federal buildings. These are a few of those Mafia things. Rival gang members might seem like they're sweet chaps, but if they're an art of breaking their kneecaps, putting a hit on our rival drug rings. These are a few of those Mafia things. Snorting cocaine off a pile of money. Once you catch high, it makes everything funny.
I hear you can get laid if you pull Mafia strings.
I know you'd be into these Mafia things. When the dawn gets disappointed and you think it's bad, remember the fun of these Mafia things, and then you'll impress your dad. So you see, children, being a mobster isn't all boring off the swag. Leaving our room filled with enemy corpses, bloody beds with the fresh heads of corpses. Maybe I am overcompensating, but truly these are the Mafia things. Why don't you get to try? Do not disappoint me.
Hunting down snitches and wrecking their faces.
Headshot those bitches from 500 paces. Brains all around and the blood splattering.
These are a few of my favorite things, professionally speaking. Taking revenge on the ones who've offended. Watch as they plead for their life as you ended. Vengeance so sweet it makes me want to sing. These are a few of those Mafia things. When the mob life seems so boring and you think it's bland,
pretend I know what I'm doing. Thanks, Maria. Great.
You're welcome. Now quickly go, your father is waiting. Let's watch Gangs of New York. I'll tell you which character is based on me.